Hey guys, today I am back with a quick video. I wanted to know if you would be interested in actually seeing like my luxurious, phenomenal brush collection that, things that I purchased on clearance, deals, things from the Dollar Tree, like my favorite beauty things. What I'm doing now, I'm actually going through my closet and I'm just organizing stuff. This is one of a few bins that I had that I need to organize, so I actually began the process of doing that. But I wanted to know if you wanted to see like an in-depth of mini reviews on the things that I purchased in multiples. Usually when I purchase things in multiples, it's because I really do enjoy it, and because I found it for like $1. So yeah, so they could be really good to gift away, give away birthdays, Christmas, and things like that. Yeah, so I'm just organizing my stuff. My other bins are in the closet, so I'm working on this bin right now. But just let me know that when I am done, if you would like to see like my collection of things that I have, because I kind of have like a Breeze beauty shop, and then I will give you in-depth like mini reviews on the things that I like. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not going to show you the other bins because they look crazy, and I'm in the process of organizing my closet and organizing those. Just let me know if you would like to see that, because then I'll go through each particular brush. Like I'm organizing this by E.L.F. and Real Techniques. These brushes were like $1. I got that after the Christmas sale. They're so good. These, I'm talking so fast. Sorry, y'all, I'm out of breath. Oh my God, I am crazy. Anyway, yeah. So these are the like full-size head brushes, but they're just travel size. Isn't that like phenomenal? Like, come on in life. And they were only $1. $1 and some change, like $1.50. Yeah. So, and I love these, but like I said, just let me know if that's something that you would like to see, and then I'll come back with a more in-depth video when I am officially well, almost done maybe. But yeah, just let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye.